In this video, I will show you how to remove passphrase from SSH key on Windows. Open PuttyGen, go to File, select Load Private Key, select the key you want to remove the passphrase, click Open, enter your passphrase to open the key and click OK. Remove the value in the key passphrase. Remove the value and confirm passphrase. Click Save Private Key. Click Yes. Select the key and click Save to replace the file. Click Yes. Now we can confirm that the key has no passphrase. I hope this video was informative for you. Thanks for watching.